Hi, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the tune for The Unquiet Grave. Now this is put your banjo into standard G tuning and then turn your second string down by a half step. So instead of being a B, it's going to be a B flat. So tune it to the third fret on the third string. And that gives you an open G minor chord. And that's the tuning that we're in. And the tune goes like this. And so it's a beautiful tune. I think it's Scottish or Northern English originally, very, very old indeed. And it's a love story and a ghost story at the same time. And it's a bit kind of gruesome and scary, so it's sort of a Halloween tune for me. Hence the silly thing that I put on my Instagram when I did it, which made me look like a skull. Anyway, so this is how it works. This is how the tune goes. You start with your finger on the second fret on the third string, and then you hammer onto the third fret and pull off. This chord is really useful. So this is like the F chord. Now I'm probably not quite tuned into standard G. I'll be a bit lower than that, but I'm talking as if I am in. So this will be an F chord in standard G tuning, and that's third fret, fourth string, second fret. You sort of go across the two with your first finger, and then third fret. So it's third, second, second, third. That's where it comes in, really nice rich chord. And then you're in the right place to start that phrase again. So just start with that hammer on. That's the open second string. Oh, that little hammer on again. To the fifth fret on the third, down to the third, back to the fifth, and that's the fourth fret on the second string. Open second, or down to the third on the third string. I'm going to start again now because I've lost the tune in my head. Okay, that's where I went wrong. That's why it went out of my head. So it goes down to the open third string. And then second fret, pull off. Third fret, fourth string, back to the G. that's the verse, or the A part. It's odd, this, because it doesn't have a verse and a chorus, but it does have the two parts of the tune. And in the middle, so you go A, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, I think. Anyway, it's not quite as straightforward as A, B, A, B, A, B. I think it finishes on an A. Yeah, so anyway, the B part, or the second part, goes. So that's the 5th fret, 1st string. And then you pull off to open. And that's part of that same chord that we were playing before. So it's 3, 2, 2. And you don't play that one. And that's the same chord again, but this time with the bass note. And then it goes into that, repeat that, the end part of that chorus, no, the A part. So the B part again. And that's it. You can do it in open C minor if that's easier for you to sing. Once you know the tune in this tuning, it's then easier to change the tunings into playing something different. But it needs to be a minor tuning for me. Properly minor tune, this one. So anyway, that's that. And yeah, I hope that works for people. And yeah, hope you enjoy playing it. And if you do, and you record it and you put it on YouTube, share a link and I'll have a look, because I like to do that. Thanks very much. Bye.